What? What? Oh. Hey, Sean here from SpeedCubeReview.com. Sometimes people get me things. It's weird to say, but it's a really nice gesture. And I recently got some things from my good friend Christian, and we're gonna go through it. Now, some of this might be more personal. I'm not gonna share all of it. If you've ever seen the picture of the Lego person playing the violin, that was also from him. So we've got a bunch of stuff here. I don't know what's in here. I didn't open it earlier because I was sick, and then I just was going through a bunch of stuff. So there's a lot of different wrappings. So some of it's Star Wars. Right now, it's the perfect time for Star Wars type stuff. We've got Kenobi out. That's the main one. Aw, coffee mug. I do drink my coffee. I've got my coffee right here, so I'll start using that one. Ooh. Okay. I'm going to put that in here to keep it safe right now while I open the other ones. But yeah, if people want to send stuff, I'm not going to say no. We've got some Lego stuff. Now, I definitely need to build some of these Lego things, and I think it did get wet in the mail. So, ooh, it's a whole comic. Oh, that's awesome. I haven't used Legos in a long time, besides building the one that looks like me. Okay. This one's a little bit squishier. No way. Oh, I have been wanting this. I have been wanting to use this so much. It's an R2-D2 Rubik's Cube. I've been looking for this. We are opening this right now. Actually, my wife and I recently rewatched the entire sequel trilogy, mainly because Oscar Isaac's in it, and we're in a whole Oscar Isaac kick after Moon Knight. But you know what? I like that trilogy a lot more than I thought I did. It's really fun, and I think really fits in well with a lot of the Star Wars storytelling aesthetics and style. This is a 2x2. Who makes this? Does it say? Mega House. They're the ones who made it. It's a really, like, this for sure is going to be sitting as a decorative thing. I could put my, do I have it out? I don't have it out. I turned the Rubik's Bear. I got new stickers from Oliver Stickers, and to look like an Ewok. So I'll have an Ewok and an R2-D2. Do I have anything else at Star Wars Rubik's? Maybe there's something else in that box. Let's do a quick scramble of this. This is actually going to be kind of difficult. I don't know if I'm going to be able to solve this right away. Oh, I can do... Have I been doing half turns only? There we go. Now we're really getting somewhere. Whew. Okay. Let's just try to solve it. So I think I'm going to go for... Although, no, I was going to say I was going to go for the top, but I don't quite know what part... Like, what connects to the other. Maybe the blue lines here will line up. I'm not exactly sure. Yep, I don't know if that's right or not. I'm going to assume this is not correct because I see blue and not blue, not blue and blue. There's no line there. So that's probably correct. And this is correct. I'm guessing these two need to be swapped. So let's do that right now. This is incredible. And yeah, that looks a lot better. What's really fun is, no, I was going to say the line, if the line was there, you could turn it like how R2-D2 actually moves. So this is not correct, obviously, although it looks like he's like bobsledding down. Let's fix this. So these need to just be oriented, and I believe the best way would just be look at it like headlights and do F, and then R prime U prime 3 times. Yeah, there we go. And then this obviously needs to go here. And I'm guessing this goes here. So if I do something like this, I think I messed it up. Let's solve this bottom layer again. Yep, I messed it up. Okay, well, this is a soon case, obviously. V2, R2. How have I not made an R2-D2 joke yet? There we go. And we are solved. That's the greatest. That's one of the best things ever. gonna move this to the side. There's so much in here. This one's already open a little bit. Kylo Ren. Oh, this is a whole... Okay, so we've got to use my strength to rip it open. Kylo Ren. Chewbacca. That's the, I can't remember. R2-D2. Stormtrooper. Rey. This is the more traditional shape, but wow, this thing moves. Woo! I'm going to scramble this up. We're going to do a solve on it too. This is something that a lot of people get these sort of picture cubes. They learn how to solve, and then they don't know what to do after that because the centers get misaligned. And there's a whole couple algorithms, whole 2 algorithms to learn to solve that. I think Rey would be easiest because I can see her face right there. Oop. Yep, that is right. Done. Wow, okay. This is so insane. What do we have here? Millennium Falcon jigsaw puzzle. Okay. We have a Millennium Falcon jigsaw puzzle. Really cool case. I'm gonna see what the pieces look like. I'm certainly not solving this right now. This is... So yeah, it's been kind of a crazy month and a half, and this is incredible. This is beyond anything I've ever expected, and oh, those pieces look so nice. They're metallic-y. How many pieces do we have here? Does it say? 201. So not too crazy of a jigsaw puzzle, but something that definitely is not doing the video right now. If you really want to see a video of it, I can record that after. No way. No way. It's another thing like the R2-D2, but it's BB-8. I still can't believe that BB-8 is not CG. That they actually have a droid that does that thing. That's incredible. Wait, it looks like that pops off. I need to open this up. I need to check this out. This is exciting. This is really cool. I think what I'll have to do is make a bunch of little shorts on each one. Or put them on the TikTok, which I'm doing now. Okay, so we've got a stand for it. Okay, this doesn't pop off. I checked its antenna. One thing I noticed in episode 7, when Rey fixes BB-8's antenna, every single time she sees BB-8 again, she checks the antenna. It's every single time. Oh, this is going to be so difficult. Are you kidding me? Okay, if BB-8's head wasn't there, it'd be... Well, that doesn't really help at all. That's one piece. Oh, my. This might be one of the more difficult ones. I mean, you can match up colors, which is nice. I think the orange from Fangshan is more difficult. But I'm going to put that there. Whoop, in frame. Okay, we've got a couple more things. Christian, this is insanity. What? What? Oh. I was looking at those pretty. I was looking at this, and I was like, "Is Darth Maul in a cloak, in a cape? Is there something inside? What is going on?" I gotta turn it around. Oh yeah, I'm gonna make a separate video with each of these on and throw them on TikTok and do a solve of each one. This is incredible. I know I've said that already, but I haven't seen these anywhere locally. Okay, and the last thing, we've got one more coffee mug. Okay, May the 4th, every day I'll be drinking out of these for sure. This is personalized. What is going on? What is going on? Thank you. This is unbelievable. I can't imagine what this. Personally, this means a lot. So thank you so much. Yeah, I'm gonna just leave it at that. I'm gonna do some separate videos on each of these. I'm definitely gonna solve this one. I'm gonna open it up. I'm gonna solve it. I'm going to solution hints booklet. I'm curious what that's gonna look like. And yeah, I need to get the Ewok out again and put that up as well. I'm getting a little choked up. Thank you so much. If you, I feel weird ever saying if you want to send me something. I'm not gonna even say that. What's your favorite one? Comment down below what's your favorite thing out of all of this so far today. Yeah. Thank you.